guys, today I'm going to be creating this look for you guys. I'm going to be using the Morphe X Kathleen Lights palette for this look. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, go ahead and stay tuned and keep on watching, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I'm going to start off this look by applying some primer to my face. I'm gonna apply this Dr. Brandt Luminizer primer. And for foundation, I'm going to go ahead and use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. And this was in the shade Natural Beige. Mami no está. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply my concealer. And of course, I'm going to use Shape Tape from Tarte. Oh, by the way, I had already filled in my brows and I used the It Cosmetics brow pencil. I used this one to fill in my brows. This is in the universal shade, I believe. Yeah, it's the universal shade. So I went ahead and filled in my brows already with this. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and set my under eyes, and I'm going to use the RMCA No Color Powder for that. Okay, so the bronzer I'm going to use the Balm Bahama Mama bronzer. Okay, so I'm going to move on to the eyes now, and for my eyes I'm going to use the Morphe and Kathleen Lights palette. So I'm going to use this palette for this look today. And the first shade I'm going to go in with is... Okay, so I'm going to go in with this shade here first. Wait, yeah. So I'm going to use this shade here first. And I'm going to apply that to my crease. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to apply is going to be this this one right here. So I'm going to apply this shade to my crease as well. But I'm going to apply this one a little bit lower. So I'm not going to go as high as I did with this first one. Okay, so now I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm going to apply the dark one here. I'm going to apply this one. And I'm going to apply that mainly to the outer corners, but I'm going to bring it in just slightly, not all the way in. So I'm just going to apply some here. And then I'm just going to blend it in. I'm going to go back in with that first brush and I'm just going to blend everything together. By the way, the first brush that I used is the MAC 224 And the second brush is the MAC 217. So I'm just going to blend them together, blend the edges to make sure that I don't have any harsh edges. And I'm just blending. And once I'm satisfied with how it looks, I'm going to move on to the next color. So the next shade that I'm going to take, so I'm going to use this black one here. So I'm going to use the black one on the palette. And I'm going to apply a little bit to the outer corners. And then I'm going to blend it in. So I'm just going to tap into that black. And apply some here. You want to be careful when you apply black because it can get crazy really fast. So I'm just going to apply it here. And I'm going to start blending it in. And I'm going to take some of that plum shade and I'm going to add a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this eyeshadow here, the gold on the top, right here. So I'm gonna take this eyeshadow and I'm gonna apply that to my lid. I'm gonna use my MAC 239 for that. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some eyeshadow to the bottom lash line, and I'm gonna take the first shade that I applied on the crease. So I'm gonna use this shade first, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of this one also. And so I'm gonna add all the shadows that I applied on the top to the bottom, but I'm gonna start off with the brown shade first. Okay, so now I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to take that black eyeshadow so I can add a little bit to the outer third of my eye. So I'm just going to add some out here. I'm also going to apply some of that black eyeshadow to the top lash line since I'm not going to apply any eyeliner. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Molding Eyeliner. This fat one. So the blush I'm going to use is going to be this one from e.l.f. This is the light blush palette. Comes with these 4 blushes here. I'm going to take this one in the corner here. Okay, so now on top of that blush, I'm going to take this one here. And I'm going to apply some of this one to the apples of my cheek. Tap off the excess and just lightly. The highlight that I'm going to use is going to be from the Sugar Glow Kit from Anastasia. Excuse my kids, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm going to take the Starburst shade here. of this eyeshadow here. Okay, so now on my lips, I'm gonna take this NYX liquid lipstick. This one's in the shade French Maid. So this one here. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply some false lashes, and the ones I'm going to use today, I'm gonna use the Ardell lashes and number 816. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and applied the lashes, and I used the Ardell 816 lashes. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. Try not to poke your eye while you do this, okay? Learn from my mistakes. Okay, you guys, so this pretty much completes the look. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. And if you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on my next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.